Good day, viewers. Yeah, welcome. Before solving this problem or before watching further, is there any idea of solving this? Pause this video and drop the answer in the comment box. There is a hiding pattern in this. Look at f of 15. The 15 here is odd number and 45 is odd number. And we are looking for the second odd number here, which is 45. But there is a distance between 5 and 15, 45 and 15. And how can we make this in a general form? Before anything, let's try to test for the next value, which is 16 and 17. Then we make a final conclusion. From f of x plus f of x minus 1 equals x squared minus 1. So let's consider the step-by-step solution. If I make f of x the subject of the formula, so we have this as x squared minus 1 minus f of x minus 1. And then if x equals to 16, we have f of 16 equals 16 squared minus 1 minus f of 16 minus 1. And again, we have f of 16 equals 16 squared is 256 minus 1, that is 255. Then minus f of 16 minus 1, that is 15. And f of 15, it gives us 113. So if I subtract this from each other, we are going to have f of 16 as 142. Makes sense? And again, let's test for f of 17. If x equals to 17, we have f of 17 equals 17 squared minus 1 minus f of 16. Okay? Then in the next step, we have 17 squared, that gives us 289 minus 1 minus 142, which is f of 16. Then 289 minus 1 minus 142. So this gives us 146. Makes sense. But we cannot just continue like this, looking for all the values from 16 to 17 to 18 down to 45. That will take a lot of our time, and let's try to do it this way. If you are just coming to this channel, do it to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. All right, let's consider this beautiful step. Suppose I want to do the let's find some recurrence values from the given equation. Let's call this one 1. So if I call this one equation 1, and if I replace x with x minus 1, suppose I change x to x minus 1, then here we are going to have f of x minus 1 plus, here is f of x minus 1 minus 1 equals x minus 1 squared minus 1. So from here we have f of x minus 1 plus f of x minus 2 equals x minus 1 squared minus 1. And I call this one equation 2. Then let's subtract equation 2 from 1. From the equation 1, we have f of x plus f of x minus 1. Then we subtract this from it. That is minus f of x minus 1 minus f of x minus 2. Then everything equals x squared minus 1, then minus x minus 1 squared minus 1. So this is what we have. And from the first line here, this and this cancelled. After it cancelled, we are left with f of x minus f of x minus 2 equals, okay, so since we are subtracting, this changed to positive and both of them cancelled. So we are left with x squared minus x minus 1 squared. And then if you expand this, the whole of it becomes f of x minus f of x minus 2 equals x squared minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. And x squared cancelled x squared, So here we have f of x minus 2 equals 2x minus 1. By making the f of x the subject of the formula, we have f of x equals 2x minus 1 plus f of x minus 2. So this is the most interesting part of this. We have to make it in a general form that we don't need to find all the f's before we can get f of 45. And what we'll do is, looking at what we are given, which is f of 15 equals 113, and we are given f of 45 as what we are looking for. The 15 here and the 45, both of them are odd number. Then we don't need to go the steps of finding f of 16, 17 and odd. So let's focus on the odd numbers only. Now the next thing we are going to find is f of 17, which equals this is 17 minus 2, right? That is f of 15, then plus 2 multiplied by 17 minus 1. Okay, so this is f of 15 is just 113 plus 2 multiplied by 17, that is 34, and 34 minus 1 gives us 33. And if you add these together, we are going to have 146, okay, which we have gotten already. And the next one will be f of 16, then it continues like that. So if this f of 15 is a constant value, so what we'll be adding or what we'll be changing is this 33, and from what we have already gotten before, we are going to see the differences in f of 19 and f of 17 as the 4 intervals. Okay, so since you have known that, then you can just make it in a general form as f of 45 that we are looking for equals f of 15 plus, so let's say the summation from x equals to 17 dot dot dot, then to we have x minus 1, so 2x minus 1. So if this is what we consider as the general formula we are going to use, but we have to know the sum of all this. So since the first one here we got, if x equals to 17, we have it as 33. Then since we are taking the summation of it, but firstly we look for the sequence, we look for the number of times we are going to get. So we have 33, and the next one, if it is 19, 2 multiplied by 19, that is 38, and 38 minus 1, that gives us 37, and that's how it continues till we reach the last one, which is 45. So if we have 45, so that will give us something around 89. And we have to look for the n term of this sequence, and we look at the sum of everything. So let's try to look for the number of times here. You know that the first time is given as 33, and the common difference is given as 4. Then we need to find n, and the last term is 89. So by applying the formula, the last term equals the first time plus number of term minus 1 multiplied by d. Then, so by inserting the formula, the parameters, the L here is 89 equals a is given as 33 plus yn is unknown minus 1, then multiplied by d, which is 4. Then let's take the collection of like terms. 89 minus 33, we have 89 minus 33, then divided by 4 equals n minus 1. And 89 minus 33, so this gives us 56 divided by 4 equals n minus 1. And then we make n the subject of the formula. Then 4 in 56, we are going to have it as 14, then plus 1 equals 15. This shows that the number of times equals 15. And to find the sum of n term, we are going to have xn equals n divided by 2 into bracket of first time plus last time. And the n here is 15 over 2 into bracket of first time is given as 33 plus the last time is given as 89. So if we try to expand this to simplify that, we have xn as 915. So try the sum of all the terms, and after getting this, so it's very easy to just substitute into f of 45. So then let's substitute. We have f of 45 equals, for f of 15, that gives us 113 plus, and the Sn that we have is 915. Adding this together, so we are going to have 1028. So this is for f of 45. This is how I solve this problem. How do you solve your own? Let's drop the answer in the comment box, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one. Never stop learning. Bye bye.